We got started in foundation repair, so settling homes, settling garages, settling structures. That quickly led into more of the basement crawl space repairs, moisture control with encapsulations, sump pumps, dehumidifiers, and really starting to take care of the entire home at that point. Create a healthier environment for families and for homeowners to live in.
Business is good. I mean, it's great. I mean, we're growing. So in about 7 years, we grew by 7 times. I mean, you start out so small and you don't really have a team and you have to figure it all out.
With us, we're completely independently owned. So that gives us freedom to always look for products that can better serve our customers at a better price. And so we're not tied to a certain product, we're not tied to a certain service. That's how we fell on Nash.
Yeah, Acculevel's been one of our best partners. Actually, their customer ID in our system is 007, like James Bond, but they're actually our 7th customer in our history of our company. So Nash Distribution is a distributor for the basement crawl space and remodeling repair industry. The big thing that we do for Acculevel is we keep in stock what Acculevel needs right now in the moment. It's dehumidification season right now, so dehumidifiers are what's trending, and we like to keep AprilAire units in stock. Everything is here, ready to go. And we're able to turn that inventory for Acculevel same day, or at the worst case scenario, next day. The one thing about AprilAire is they're willing to roll up their sleeves and get dirty with us, right? We get out on the job site a lot with our customers. A lot of times AprilAire will actually ask to ride along with our regional sales managers, and I think that's a really, really great thing, right? It shows strength in numbers with our customers.
We've had a couple gentlemen down to do trainings with our crew installers, with our service team personally, going through the different parts on how to repair it, when do we need to replace it. Our units are going into undesirable spaces, right? With crawl spaces, basements, these are spaces that get lived in, that rodents live in. There's a lot that happens, and so durability is so important. For them to have a digital pad on every dehumidifier that we can easily set that humidity where we want it, we can make sure it's running, and we can leave. For those to be made in the US and not have to come all the way over an ocean in a cargo ship, I think is so important for us as that dependability.
The big thing for us is keeping our products in stock, right? At the end of the day, there's a lot of global freight issues around the world, and we pride ourselves on having what our customers need now, right? That's our philosophy at Nash, what you need now, and we have everything on the shelf that our customers need.
In our opinion, AprilAire is the top of the line product. And so there's nowhere else for us to go in order to improve. We've never had an issue in working with them, and we want to continue that relationship for years to come. We're building a brand new facility at a different location that we can triple our capacity even from what it is today. Originally this felt like this was a big place and this was a big building, and it was. We've just physically at this location can't expand anymore. So the rapid growth the last few years, it has a lot to do with marketing. Marketing has changed so much, and it's changing so fast. I mean, homeowners are definitely concerned about their environment.
Yeah, we've seen a lot more encapsulations, dehumidifiers, people wanting to explore those options, right? We've really focused our culture of our company and the great people that we have and the great talent that we have on just truly helping people. When somebody calls in, when somebody has a question, we just want to answer that question honestly, transparently, and help them as best we can. I think that growth, that culture has really made a massive impact on what we do.